In front of me is Nothing Phone 2A, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Tap on Google Password Manager and select any password that you wish to edit. Following that, enter your current login method and use Edit button next to Delete one. Then change wherever you want to. And to save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!